Okay, so now siwajongile into yoba lamanani or as parameters, so sithi zi-parameters eziya ngesingesi lamanani siwabeka emcamkwe kula basic graph okanye siwa-edileyo to la basic graph yethu, sithi zi-parameters. Sibonile uba zitshintsha njani or zenza eziphi changes to i-basic graph yethu ka-y equals x squared. Now eyona nto ebalulekileyo into yoba sikwazi uyenza ngokugrafa intoni i-function yethu. So xa sigrafa i-function yethu sithini, sifumane u-y intercept. Sayifumana njani? By letting x equals 0. Intoni y-intercept? Sithi zi-y-axis la line i-vertical. So i-y-intercept kulapho igraph yethu izawunqumla khona uze khatha khona intoni le line yethu. Fine. Okay, so to get y-intercept we let x be 0. So let x be 0. So banabani phayana y equals minus 2 times 0 squared plus 8. Okay, to save space, land is our one is about positive 8 because this becomes 0. So we want y-intercept here to ipa go 0 no 8. Okay, now the coordinates are go 0 and 8. Fine. Now we need to get x-intercept. X-intercept kulapho igraph yethu izawukhatha khona phi x-axis. So this is the x-axis there to la horizontal line. Fine. To get x-intercept, we'll let y way to be 0. Okay, so we let our y be 0. We have a negative 2x squared plus 8. Okay, so we can factor out la minus 2 payana. We have x squared minus 4 equals to 0, and then payana numbers no x squared minus 4 equals 0. Okay, quickly ndikuwezela upper land. So this is, see, factorize x minus 2 x plus 2 equals 0 lo 1. Alright, and then x way to equals 1 o2 omnye x way to equals 1 and minus 2. So izawungena apha igraph yethu iphinde ithini ingene phayana. Okay, so sazi since negative igraph yethu ijonga phi kule direction. Okay, so singayizoba la graph mandithathe ucolor green. So la graph sayazi ba ithena phi, ithena pha, i-turning point yayo leyana, ithena apha igraph yethu, then yongena phi pha ku minus 2, ihle igraph yethu ingena phi pha ku2. Okay, so igraph yethu lena, and then sijonge igraph yala equation kuthiwa x squared minus 4. Okay, so it's about easier than it was. This is an easier equation. Okay, so to get the y-intercept, we let x be 0. Besitshilo mos pha, we let x be 0. So for y-intercept, we let x equals 0. So x wethu ngu-0, besitshilo bani minus 4. So sayazi graph is our intercept up y-axis pha ku minus 4. Now to get the x-intercept, ke ngosawuyeka so kwenza y wethu let y be 0. So endaweni ka y thatha into le basibeka 0 x squared minus 4. Alright, and then factorize phayana ngu x squared minus 4, it's x minus 2 x plus 2 in brackets equals 0. So it's the same thing ebesinayo pha phezulu. Okay, so sayibona kahle bandi factorize njani kena. So it's x equals 2 or x minus 2, just in case kawibone kahle lani besibhale pha. Okay, fine. Nayo ithini ithena apha and then ingena nayo phi ku same x values phayana. Okay, and then sibonile uba sigrafa njani iparabola yethu. Now sizibonile uba as different parameters as a numbers klasibekwe next to a basic equation yethu y equals x squared zitshintsha njani i-shape ye-graph or zishiftela kwiphi direction. Sayibona as well into yoba igraph sizoba njani using i-y-intercept ne-turning point yayo yonke loo nto leyo. Now we need to be able to find equation ye-graph from i-sketch esisinikwe ne-information esinikwe. Okay, so okokuqala siyazi uba equation yethu y equals ax squared plus o2. Alright, now sayazi by turning point yethu ngba ku minus 8. So la value phayana y value yethu minus 8. Minus 8 ngubani i-value katyo. So y equals ax squared minus 8. Okay, now to find the value ka a sothini sayapha kula point esibini ku e wethu sinikwe la coordinate bangubani ku 2 no 8. So endaweni ka x u2 mos ngu x and then u8 ngubani ngu y value yethu. So sizobeka u2 endaweni ka x and then y endaweni ka bani ka 8. Okay, so 8 and then a times 2 minus u8. Okay, so this is 8 equals u2a minus u8. Start la 8 simse ngapha solve for the equation. So sabana bani, so 16 ngapha ku 2a ngapha So to find a, so divide both sides ngabani ngala 2. Okay, and then a wethu ngubani, a equals ubani u8. Okay, so equation yethu ngubani ku y equals sibhale pha y equals 8x squared minus 1 minus 8. Now masijonge ngapha sakwenza something similar to lento besenze ngapha. Okay, so as equation yethu y equals ax squared plus q. Okay, this is if only uku grade 10, because for grade 11, grade 12, I'm also gonna share a video ezabonakalisa enye method yofumana ezinye method is advanced so for an equation parabola. But if you're in grade 10, this is all you need to know for now. Fine, but the basics for us thina bantu benza grade 11 grade 12. Fine. So nalapha utyu wethu sijonga pha i-turning point y value yayo ngu-3. So sayazi utyu yintoni, la y value yantoni ye-turning point. So y equals ax squared plus u3, and then to get a value ka a, we substitute as our values ngu0 uy x minus 1. So u0 ngu y, and then x wethu ngu minus 1 plus 3. So no 0 equals minus a plus 3 u3. To solve for a simsa ngapha u3 wethu negative. So minus a this side, divided both sides of minus 1, because I'm full negative next to la a. So a way to go 3, and therefore equation yethu ngubani y equals a way to samaz mango 3 x squared plus o3. Okay, so let's quickly correct lando payana. Since bingo x squared so minus 1 squared is a positive a, so positive all the way up, so positive, therefore a way to minus 3, so it's no minus 3 payana. Okay,
it's amazing, so amazing, so amazing, so amazing, it's amazing, so amazing.